Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert EPS to PSD in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open our Photoshop document. Now you can see. Now we convert from EPS to PSD. Now going to the file menu option. Then click. Now click from open option. Now find your EPS file. Now select from EPS file. Now click from open option. Now you can see. Then I show the EPS file. Now convert the PSD. Now you can again file menu option. Then click. Now click from save as option. Now I select from file name. Now I select from format option. Now click from PSD. Now select save. That is now I choose the now you can say convert EPS to PSD in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.